everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've just arrived in Strasbourg by train, and I'm really excited for this one. The station is actually very modern, but I've heard that just a short walk away, the city completely transforms into something much more historic and charming. So let's go explore. We're starting our walking tour right from the station, heading toward the old town. It's a really easy walk, and along the way you can already start to see that unique mix of French and German influences in the architecture. You can feel it changing. The streets get narrower, the buildings more detailed. It's getting really pretty.
I shouldn't put the cream because I don't see the flower now.
You can eat the cream and then you see the flower.
Yeah, okay.
There are so many little corners to explore, and every turn feels like a photo spot. I could easily spend hours just wandering around here. And here we are, Old Town, also known as La Petite France. This area is just beautiful. The colorful half-timbered houses, the canals, the little bridges everywhere. It honestly feels like walking through a postcard. Next, I decided to take a river cruise, which is such a great way to see Strasbourg from a different perspective. From the water, you get a full view of the historic buildings, the bridges, and even parts of the city you wouldn't normally walk to. It's super relaxing, and honestly a nice break from walking while still seeing a lot.
Είναι εστιατόριο. Λένανε τα ρούχα. Εκεί από κάτω, Φοράμε. Θα ανοίξει η πόρτα τώρα. Είναι όπως είναι στο πάνω. Πιο ψηλά το νερό και μπαίνει να είναι αυτό η πλατεία. Εδώ περάσαμε. Η πλατιούλα που είναι. Ανοίγει η γέφυρα. Κινείται η γέφυρα. Είναι η γέφυρα. Ενδιαφέροντα πολύ. Ναι, ναι. 600 χρονών είναι ο Πλάτα. Το φαντάζεται κανείς. Μέσα σε πάνω εκεί. Πολύ ωραία. Πάρα πολύ. Αυτό σπίτι είναι
back on land and now I'm just strolling through the streets, passing by so many restaurants and little gift shops. There's such a cozy vibe here. You'll find traditional Alsatian restaurants, cute cafes, and shops selling local specialties and handmade items. Even if you're not planning to buy anything, it's just fun to browse and take it all in. And now we've arrived at the highlight of the day, Cathedral Notre-Dame de Strasbourg. The exterior is absolutely stunning. The level of detail is incredible. Every part of the facade is so intricate. And once you step inside, it's just as breathtaking. The stained glass, the height of the ceilings, the atmosphere, it really makes you pause for a moment. And actually, while I was visiting, I experienced something really special. There was a wedding ceremony happening inside the cathedral. I stayed for a while just watching. It felt so intimate and magical. The music, the soft light coming through the stained glass, everything about it was just beautiful. It's one of those unexpected moments when traveling that you don't plan but end up remembering the most.
C'est un jour de bonheur et de joie, mais aussi pour chacun et chacune d'entre nous qui sont venus à votre invitation et à l'invitation du Seigneur Jésus, lui qui nous révèle que Dieu guérit notre cœur de tout mal, de nous libérer de tout péché. Le Seigneur jette sur chacun de nous un regard de bonté. Nous allons nous mettre maintenant
over to the weekend market, and it was full of energy. There were stalls everywhere, fresh food, local products, baked goods, such a lively atmosphere. From the canals and Old Town to the cathedral, and even those little unexpected moments like the wedding, it really makes the experience feel special. If you're traveling through Europe, I would definitely recommend adding Strasbourg to your list. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.